Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by taking a full backup, files and database, so you can safely revert. Once done, open your hosting file manager or connect via FTP. Make sure you have right access. Now create a small Moo plugin or child theme functions file to control updates, because core files may be overwritten otherwise. You are preventing automatic changes at the source. That way, later steps modify WordPress behavior without breaking your site. You will edit config and add filters to stop automated updates. First, place const wp auto update core equals false. Above the /*, that's all */line in wp config. PHP, this halts core auto updates. Next, add plugin and theme filters in a must-use plugin or site-specific plugin. Add filter, auto update plugin, return false, and add filter, auto update theme, return false. These lines tell WordPress to skip automatic plugin and theme updates. Make sure to save changes and set correct file permissions. You finish by confirming changes. Visit dashboard right arrow updates and run a site health check to ensure no automated updates are queued. Once verified, clear any object or page caches and inspect WP cron. Scheduled events can still trigger updates if not corrected. If something goes wrong, restore your backup and inspect error logs and file permissions. Incorrect owner or 644/640 settings often block.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.